Hey guys, welcome back to the Hold My Beer channel. Y'all know I like to give you guys different looks about my passions. For the guys who subscribed and ladies, you guys know I like to be on the smoker, grill, whatever. I like to be outside. So today we're gonna do a little something different. Today we are gonna do some monster turkey wings. Yep, you can have turkey on other days other than Thanksgiving, all right? So what we're gonna do, guys, I have a rack here because these have been brining in a very simple brine, which is basically water, vinegar, I think onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of Old Bay, some pepper, you know, very, very simple brine. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take them off. Hold it. Yeah, that joker's heavy. Big boys. And we're gonna just let the moisture drip down off of them. Then once this happens, we're gonna come back, we're gonna season them up, and they're gonna be ready for the smoker. Like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I appreciate you guys. It's your host, Worldwide Chrome, or Chrome in 4K. All right, so this is what we're doing today. Hopefully the weather doesn't catch me. I don't think it will. It may, but if it does, guess what? I'm always gonna make it happen, one way or other, right? Because I love you guys. So y'all stay tuned for it, lay around. Again, thumbs up, drop a comment, and share the videos. Here we go.
Hi guys, so while my husband is getting the grill together, I'm gonna go ahead and season the turkey wings. What we're gonna do is a couple of sauces and then some spices that I just have in my cabinet. I like to use some Italian dressing because the Italian dressing has like oil in it, and the oil helps for the seasoning to stick to the wings. I'm also going to use a little W sauce and a little bit of soy sauce. That will give, don't use too much of it because it's going to make it really, really salty. But it does add to the flavor of it. And so then after that, I'm just going to use just my basic seasoning. I have a little onion powder here. We like to use Montreal steak seasoning for things that we're putting on the grill. It just adds like a little spice because it has like the peppercorns in it. Adding a little paprika for flavor.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Baby, this is not open. Open it for me. A little garlic powder. And a little bit of salt. Just regular old table salt. And I can do it. All right. The paprika just gives it a little color. And so I'm going to massage this in. I'm going to season the other side of it, and then we will see you at the grill.
So while that happened, I'm out here by the smoker. Show you guys, again, it's not for the experienced, the experts, even the intermediate. This is for the beginners. So guys, this is what you want to look for on your smoker. Okay, you see it? It looks like a TP, so that you'll get a good burn out of your wood. So it'll burn. We're gonna let it ash over. Okay, it's gonna get up to temp here shortly. Then I'll show you guys the process of how to put on your wings. and then the cooking process. So this is what we're doing today for dinner. Turkey wings. I'm gonna do this in homage to Turkey Leg Hut. I feel bad for those people, you know, but so we're gonna do turkey wings then. All right, maybe a turkey leg is bad luck. All right, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all shortly. Mama Hold My Beer is calling me to come and get the wings, so I will be right back. All right, see you. So at this point, we're basically ashed over. We have a good burn going on our cherry wood that we're using today. I'm gonna show you guys. And we're smoking. We're smoking. It's a little bit windy. We have a cold front coming through, so the ashes are blowing a bit. But once I shut the hood down on the smoker, we'll just eliminate that problem. All right, so let's shut it down and let's see what temp we get up to real fast. Again, it was raining today, so I have moisture in my thermometer. And you see it going, 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 going. And we're gonna top out at 200 degrees, which is fine for poultry, which turkey is poultry. Okay, it's a bird. We just happen to eat it. So I'm gonna get the wings, come back, put them on, and we're gonna start the process.
Okay guys, so I got the turkey wings all seasoned, and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, and we're ready to put them on the grill.
And so, you see, we're smoking now. We are smoking. We're smoking. So we're gonna take these big boy dinosaurs off.
They turn on.
You know, big turkey wings. And this is how we're gonna stack them up. So if you come over here, I'm gonna show them how to stack them up. Okay, come on.
Turn it off.
Too late for that. It'll pick up.
Okay.
If you can come over here and show you how you stack them up, guys. All right. So this is how when you're dealing with big pieces of poultry.
Indirect heat.
We're going indirect. All right. If you go indirect, you can't make a mistake. And that, again, that's what I tell all my beginners, intermediate, guys trying to improve themselves. This is not for the experts or professionals or anything. This is just for the guys trying it out. So now we have them staggered, they're offset, and we're gonna shut down our smoker and we're gonna let them go. And when I shut this down, we should get right back up to temp. And we should hit by maybe, 200, 215, somewhere thereabout. And then we're gonna leave them on here. These are about, I think these wings are probably 1.5 pounds each. So I think it's gonna be a cook time of an hour, thereabout. But hey, it's a journey. So we're rising, 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 rising. And we're still rising. And we're gonna max out. We maxed out at 220. So that's a good barbecue temp, guys, right there. That's what you want. All right, we're smoking. All right. I know Jenny's getting smoked out over there. She don't really want to do that.
I sure am.
It's
getting my ass.
And so we'll check back in on these in maybe 20, 30 minutes. See where they're at, and then we'll go from there. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. So now we should be, I think, halfway through the cook. So we're gonna take a look at them, see what we got going on. Let's see. Ooh. Some of them are starting to leak a little bit. So what we're gonna do, guys, and then another tip, when you're dealing with chicken wings, turkey wings, any type of wing, quail, pigeon, whatever, all right? We start with them like this, then we flip them over so the juices will pull up in the joints, all right? Which gives you more flavor, makes them more tender. So we're gonna flip them over. I hear rumblings of thunder in the background, but we should be good to go. So this is what we're looking like at this point. I'm gonna say they're at the 40%, maybe 45% range of doneness, and we'll check back in on them in maybe another 15-20 minutes. So again, this cook time is probably gonna be an hour and 15, hour and 30, and we'll go from there. All right, so we've been on the smoker now about an hour, hour and a half. So we're about to open up the smoker, see what we got, and we should be good to go at this point. Let's see. Let's take a look together. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yep. So guys, these are ready to come off. We're gonna take them off and let them rest up for a little bit. Ooh, ooh. Again, turkey wings. Ooh. So we're gonna take them inside the house. Sorry, I have both hands full right now, so y'all have to come with me. Hold it. Y'all might go upside down. Now you're back right. So now we'll put these on the good old countertop. So I can see them. We'll let them rest up for maybe 5 minutes, 7 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes. And then we're gonna cut into them or bite into them and see what it tastes like. And we'll go from there. All right, like, comment, subscribe. The Hold My Beer channel. All right, so timing is everything, guys. It actually just started pouring down. So you see these look very good. Again, I hit my target time. No, it took me maybe 90 minutes thereabout. So they're leaking. So I would cut into these, but I'm just going to take a fork just to see what we have. Going. So smoked turkey wings on the smoker. You guys can do it. Take your time. Don't rush it. Watch this video 50 times if you have to, and you'll get good at it. All right. So I thank you so much for liking and watching the video, the Hold My Beer channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up. Deuces. Mazel tov.